name is Brian Mace. I work with the Hitachi Mining Division out of Moline, Illinois, and we're here in Las Vegas at CONEXPO 2014. Standing here in our Hitachi booth. I'm standing in front of our Hitachi EH1100-5. It's a new model, updated from the previous model of the off-highway truck line. It's a 70-ton capacity truck. That's our nominal payload, 760 horsepower, and runs at 36 miles per hour. It's the smallest truck in our rigid frame truck lineup. We go from the 70-ton class truck to the 320-ton class truck. This is a mechanical drive truck, so meaning it has a engine, transmission, and differential, whereas our larger trucks have electric drive, so it's a diesel electric drive truck. So this is an upgraded model. So what the three big things that we upgraded were, we now have an engine option. We have a Cummins engine, QSK 23 or MTU Series 2000 engine. Our customers in the US and Canada right now, because of the EPA regulations, and this is a Tier 2 engine, only have the Cummins option, but outside the US and Canada, we offer both the Cummins and the MTU option. We also upgraded the transmission. It's an Allison 6620 transmission, updated with new software on the shift energy management software, and also the control of the transmission. 6 gears forward, 2 in reverse, and that's driving our differential. The biggest change there is on the wet disc brakes that we had previously on the previous model. Now have an integrated parking brake inside the wet disc brake. So previously we separated that and had a parking brake on the differential outside. That's integrated within the wet disc brake now. So those are the big three major changes on the drivetrain. The other changes are access to the service deck and the cab on this machine. And then we have also updated the operator's cab. We took away all the dashboard and put it on a 10-inch LCD screen. Also on that monitoring system, a technician can also troubleshoot and diagnose issues inside the cab on the machine. And then in that cab is connected to our rear camera on the truck, so as the operator puts the truck into reverse, he sees what the camera's seeing out the rear end of the truck as he's backing up the truck. In the updates of this truck, we've also updated the capacity. We moved from a 65 to a 70-ton nominal ton capacity on this truck. So there were some changes to the body design. We took some stiffeners out, changed a little bit of the capacity of the body, which improved, lightened up the truck slightly, but we also increased the rating capacity of the truck with the tires we're using on this truck. So one of the serviceability items that we made an upgrade on this truck is we moved the batteries down here into the front bumper, so they're inside the compartment in the front bumper. So there's one of the batteries. Here's the other battery. So previously they were up on the service deck. So now you can service the batteries down here from ground level. You can see I'm standing here on the ground. There's also a receptacle over here on the side behind the battery box. This is a disconnect switch for the batteries. There's a receptacle to jump start the batteries back there, so you don't have to open these compartments to jump start it. You just plug in, jump start the truck. Also from ground level there's a engine shut off, and then also a light switch here on the truck. So our frame design is very unique based on our front trailing arm design system. So you can see the open area here for access, so you get to the filters. We're very unique in the industry that we have that much room to access the engine.